Did you lose your Mashreq Neo debit card? You must be worried that someone else might use it to access your account. Just follow these simple steps to immediately block your debit card and request for a new one. It is very easy, guys. Step 1. Begin by logging in into your Mashreq Neo banking app. Once you are logged in, tap on the services section in the bottom right corner. Here, you will see the popular services, and among them is the block and replace card option. Something you need to keep in mind: if you don't see the block and replace card option, simply tap here on View All Services. Once you scroll a little bit down under the card section, you will be able to see the block and replace card option. Simply tap on it. Your card will be revealed. As you can see on the screen, you can confirm your debit card details by cross-checking the last 4 digits, okay? Select the reason why you want to block your card. Go ahead, tap on the Block and Replace My Card button. That is it, guys. Your new Mashreq Neo debit card is on the way with a new card number. You'll be contacted by the Mashreq Bank representative to arrange delivery. Again, blocking and replacing your Mashreq Neo debit card is free of charge, and that's how you do it.